Alright friends, I saw so many tutorials with passion twists, and there was twisting and tugging and snatching at the roots. I have fine hair and I just knew that may not work for me. My hair just can't work like that. So I came up with my own way to install my passion twists, and I could not be happier. Now, my method involves installing individual plaits at the top, connecting those plaits, and then feeding them into cornrows in the back. Now, the pros with my method are, after a few weeks, there's no slipping, there's no retwisting, there's no need for retouching up these twists. Nothing slips out. Most people probably prefer that sleek, snatched at the root look with super defined parts, and it's all shiny from using the edge control or whatever else, and that's fine in the beginning. But if you have fine hair, you know that that's not something we can keep up with retwisting and touching up those twists. So my method really worked great for me. In order to keep that other look though, you have to just do a lot of maintenance after a while if that's what you want. But I think my twists look fine. My parts aren't, they're still there. They're not super defined though. And another thing, if you've got fine hair, we're conscious of our parts. Sometimes we try to camouflage parts. So the older my twists have gotten, the better my roots have looked, and I'm pleased with that. Before I installed my passion twists, I did a little research via YouTube, and I was really surprised to see several videos out there, and people had negative experiences with their twists. They said the hair kept slipping out, or they kept unraveling or untwisting. And I have honestly had just the polar opposite experience, and I think it has everything to do with the way I installed my twists with those individual plaits, and of course the cornrows in the back. This hair is a crochet hair for passion twists. It is by the Amazon company Area. So the hair is light. My sensitive scalp, I've had no issues. Normally I have to cleanse any crochet or synthetic hair that I use with an apple cider vinegar and water rinse. I didn't do that with this hair, and my scalp feels absolutely fine. So like I said in the video where I installed these passion twists, you have to do what's right for you. I don't have fine hair like the Glam Twins or like Natural 85. So I can't treat my hair the same way. So if you have fine hair, you're watching this video, and you should know that you can't treat your hair the same as somebody else's anyway. I think passion twists in general are very low maintenance, or low maintenance to no maintenance. But I do take care of my hair at night, and I'll show you my nighttime routine right here. tell, me and these passion twists have had a great run together, and I'm pretty sure I have another at least a week out of these passion twists. My scalp, like I said, it's really sensitive, and I typically shampoo my hair every week. So all I've done is shampoo the my front edges because they were getting itchy. I shampooed them in the shower, but you know, the rest of my scalp may start to get really itchy really soon, and I will have to shampoo. But otherwise, I think this style is just so low maintenance, and it's you know, you can dress it up, you can dress it down, which is a plus for any naturalista out there. But yeah, I'm having a great time. So if you have fine hair and you've been thinking about doing passion twists, but like me, you've seen, you know, where other ladies are doing a lot of twisting and pulling and manipulating, and you wondered whether it was for you, just find an installation method that works for you. You know, rock your hair and yeah, live your best hair life. Until next time, keep it naturally corporate, and girlfriends, slay in your lane.